Today we're gonna be trying Tikis Drinking Coconut. So this is our first time trying it. Do not laugh at me and how I'm probably not gonna get this right on the first try, but let's go. So it says cut away husk until you see a peace sign.
What?
Cut away husk until you see a peace sign. So let's just assume that it didn't say step one open. Let's go ahead and
Baby, mama coconut, baby coconut.
ooh, it's soft.
This is the inside of the
Oh, so this means they trimmed the outside of the coconut, and this is just like the middle. You can hear it. Well, yours get more liquid in the center.
Yeah.
But anyway, all right. It says cut away until you see the peace sign. Locate
the soft
spot and use heel of knife to break through.
No spoon.
What?
That's a spoon.
Heel of knife. Where's the spoon at?
Right there.
It says insert spoon to pop the lid off. Add straw and enjoy. And of course we don't have no straw, but let's try cutting
so
this thing.
It's so tiny.
Oh, Lord.
I felt these because I was looking around for
I
coconut.
watch your let me get a knife off the dishwasher.
And
Hold on, y'all. It's coming. Some hot dishes. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
She just ran it through the bottom.
It's hot, y'all. Just take my glasses up. Get me stuck in head. Can't see. All right, I'm back. Oh, this is a hot knife. A hot knife. Okay, so cut until you see the piece sign. So
That's
oh,
you gonna press it.
don't say that.
It's so like plastic.
Ooh. It's gonna be so bad if my knife won't hide. I'm like, what is going on? Can you?
Oh, that's the sauce spot? Mama!
No, just put a hole in it.
You abusing the coconut.
Girl.
Give it time.
To do what?
That's the
Marinate?
bust on your
What is that? That's what it's doing. It's breaking up on me.
Mama. That look like chicken. Ew. Y'all shouldn't put it in her mouth. That's nasty.
I need a saw. Like, am I using the right kind of knife? Wait a minute.
You gotta break the knife.
God, on my arm.
Yeah, you do gotta be on.
But, you know, y'all kids tell unnecessary business. You know what I'm saying? You know, just be adding on extra stuff, man. These people who is watching us cut coconut, they is not worried about my arm. And at the moment, I cannot find a knife. Okay.
Dang.
Phew. It's so hot in here.
Michael Myers.
Oh my God.
Ah, Elizabeth. I like we make that voice. You sound like a Deborah.
A what?
A Deborah from off like a drag show.
Oh my God. A chainsaw.
Yeah, that's what we got.
This is not it. I mean, I need somebody who got a better arm than me. I feel like I'm just over here.
Go get some Lisa.
Cut until I see it. What? Wait a
A
minute.
peace sign.
Cut
What did this
away
peace sign look like?
husk.
Husk. What is this?
Oh God. Oh my God. I don't even want to drink it no more.
That's the husk, right?
I'm not getting, but I don't see no peace sign.
Well, I think that's the soft spot that they talk about.
But read the thing.
Okay.
What do you say the soft spot look? What do it look like? I mean,
It's like a little bit brown, I'm guessing.
it's good.
Like that. Is it soft?
No, it's hard.
Puncture your knife through it. Oh, yeah.
Puncture what? You know, they just need to draw a circle or something with it. Let's go peel this way, okay. requires a little bit of patience and
skill.
don't do this if you're thirsty, because it's not gonna work out for you. Like,
Ooh, the counter.
you literally gonna be like,
it looks like chicken though.
Cut this away. It's like soft. What do it smell like though? Can you do something with this? I bet if you were stuck in the desert and it's dried up, you could probably
chew it.
Well, I mean, not the desert, but you know, somewhere tropical. You can let this dry out. You know.
Sniff it.
Why would you sniff it? Why would you sniff it? No, you could. But what is the soft spot?
Mama back up. Mama, it's getting aggressive.
Right, because I feel like that's what you need to do.
It's getting physical.
Because I know I was watching the Hawaiian Tropics of Gilligan's Island or something. I think it was probably Gilligan's Island. These kids don't know what Gilligan's Island is. And I remember seeing him do this, something like this. And,
Look like if you was beating me.
oh, God. I still don't see no soft spot. Where's the soft spot? Like about how far into the coconut before?
They need better than instructions.
Jesus, 6 minutes later, y'all. I'm gonna have to.
Oh, Ma, you were supposed to cut right here and then up here.
I'm just peeling the whole damn coconut. Slow me. I mean, Jesus.
And then you're supposed to take the brown piece off with
what soft spot though? Ain't none. Or am I cutting it from the wrong end?
I think so. You're cutting it from the wrong end.
Bill.
That's this side. Right? No.
Here we go sawing again. I don't even want the coconut no more.
My soft spot right here. I can feel it.
You know, this video was supposed to be how to show y'all the ease of doing this. But as y'all can see,
I felt the soft spot.
I ain't got nowhere so far. So I'm gonna come back in a second. All right.